that dough.
Boy, slang boy, that's because I'm from the dirty, and I'm addicted to drop like I'm convertible mercy. I'm a grind to the hurt. Hustle mean hard work when it comes to making money through the free since birth. I done watch time fly. So many people change, so I hit my little licks on the slide, maintain. I want my pockets past walls,
Knocking like rocking.
excuses just like assholes. Everybody got them, but don't nobody got me. Just to keep it independent. I love experience, that's why I feel like I can get it. If it wasn't for this rapping, I'd probably be in prison on the yard showing pictures of how a nigga living. Every chance I'm given, gotta make the right decision. Gotta set a good example for these badass children. At times you see me ballin', flashing, tripping for no reason. But now they stay the same, my boys change like the season.
It's a change, but I remain the same. I'm in the game for more than just fame. Excuses are lame. I'm using my brain because there's no such thing as I can't go get that dough.
These terms in the song, come on, you gotta
go get that dough.
So you rather sleep all day, wake up on the street, spend the last few dollars on some liquor and weed, just to bullshit with your homies, and now y'all broke complaining. You don't really wanna work for them white folk. A man don't work, a man don't eat. Got your mama working 2 jobs, trying to make ends meet. You sit around waiting on check day to come through, just for her to beat you by your clothes and shoes. Use a lame, and your excuses are the same. What makes it even worse, use a grown-ass man. Get off your ass, homie, use your head. Sometimes you gotta cut off a foot to save a leg. Being broke without a dollar is something I can't take. That's why I'm out here on my grind, homie, 25-8. A real man get out and handle this business. If you don't do it for yourself, at least do it for your kids.
Things have changed, but I remain the same. I'm in the game for more than just fame. Excuses are lame. I'm using my brain because there's no such thing as I can't
sing.
Go get that dough.
Everybody sing the song, come on, you gotta
go get that dough. Shit is a little different. As kids, we used to kick it. Now shit is getting different. The business is cricket, and it's quick to get evicted if you don't go out and get it. By all means, you got to try all things. You wonder why tall trees grow up to get that height. They don't complain about the rain, or that the sun's too bright, or that the money's too tight, or there's nowhere to win. And they never give up because of the hole that they're in. So I go by, my days get blown. Trying not to worry, money comes and it goes. And if it ain't in your pocket at the time, man, do what you gotta do, walk and go grind, man. Things have changed, but I remain the same. I'm in the game for more than just fame. Excuses are lame. I'm using my brain because there's no such thing as I can't go get that dough.
You gotta
go get that dough.
Everybody in the building, come on, you gotta
go get that dough.
One more time, raise the roof, come on, you gotta
get that dough. So much love, D-Time.